Really? Good morning and welcome to the channel. I am Allie and this is the Auto Alley. Spent a lot of time doing a lot of cleaning in the garage so that we can actually, see what we're doing. And it's not perfect yet. I still have more to do. Sadly, I have stuff on my car, which I despise. But, oh hey, music. But, we got it going. I mean, a little at a time. So today, I have a Mountaineer that needs a wheel bearing bad. At first, I said I noticed a noise, so I ordered the wheel bearing. Yeah. After closer inspection, it's bad. And thankfully, I ordered the wheel bearing, but we have to get it done. So that's today's progress. So hold on, enjoy yourself, hang on, and we'll see what happens. Wow. I never had one come off that easy. Look at that. You know what? Go in and price brakes and rotors for this. Those are my brake pliers. Decided that the rattling exhaust is driving me crazy. So I'm going to jack it up. I'm either going to see if we can weld the exhaust and get it back up in position, or I may do what's called a lunchbox delete. And in a lunchbox delete, what they do is remove this. You can see where it comes in. See where it comes in back here. And you basically cut that off and bring it out to the end and put a tip on it, which this tip can come off and go on. See this? It's all the mounts are gone. And it's getting pretty bad. So, we'll see what we can do. Alright, fire it up. Get her moving.